I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open Google Slides and make the canvas 1920 by 1080 so your video fills YouTube frames. This matters for crisp export. Once done, map out scenes by renaming slides, intro, points, CTA because organization speeds editing. Now import images, short clips, and licensed music. Place assets on separate layers so you can animate without breaking layout. Make sure you use consistent fonts and colors. This creates a polished look from the first frame to the last. You'll animate elements to guide viewer focus, so add transitions and object animations with specific durations rather than defaults. This avoids jarring cuts. Next, rehearse with speaker notes and record your narration externally if you want better audio, then import the file. Once recorded, sequence animations to match speech. Delay text until the point is spoken, extend duration for emphasis. Also, use PNGs with transparency for overlays, and preview at full screen to verify pacing before exporting. You export the presentation as an MP4 and confirm resolution is 1920 by 1080 and frame rate matches your footage. Mismatches cause stutter. Once exported, trim and mix audio in an editor. Keep voice loud, music around -12 dB, and add captions for accessibility. If the video shows timing errors or missing assets, reopen slides, fix animation delays, or replace corrupt images and export again. A quick re-export usually resolves sync problems. If not, adjust duration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.